This video is about solving linear equations. But remember, when you're solving linear equations, you're always doing reverse operation on anything that is done to your variable. But you're always doing reverse operation on addition and subtraction first, and then reverse operation on multiplication and division. Okay, let's look at these examples. Okay, for this one, we see that 4 is added to our variable. So the reverse operation of addition is subtraction. So we subtract 4 from both sides. Whatever you do to one side, you must do to the other for the thing to be balanced or equal. Okay, so this 4 would cancel that one. So it is x equals 7 minus 4, that is 3. And that is our answer there. And we can test it. X is 3, so 3 plus 4 equals 7. So that is our answer there. For this one here, remember, we're always doing reverse operation on addition or subtraction first. So we could actually add 5 to both sides, or we could go ahead and multiply every term by 4. But let's stick with our rule. Our rule says we should do reverse operation on things that are added or subtracted first. So since this is subtracted from all of this term, this is one term, so we will go ahead and add 5 to both sides. So this would be x plus 3 over 4 equals 2 plus 5, that is 7. Now please don't make the mistake of subtracting 3 now from both sides, because all of this is one term, and our x is tied to the 3, and all of this is tied to the 3 by addition, and all of this part here is tied to the 4 by division. So we must get rid of the 4 from the denominator first. Okay, and since it's dividing, the reverse operation of division is multiplication, so we must multiply each term by the denominator, which is 4. And when I say each term, all of this is one term, so I'm multiplying this term by 4, and this is another term, I multiply it by 4 as well. Alright, so this 4 will take out that 4 there, leaving x plus 3, which is this part here, and that is equal to 7 times 4, that is 28. Now we have just the 3 being connected to our x by addition, so we do the reverse operation of addition, which is subtraction. So we subtract 3 from both sides there. So this is x equals 28 minus 3, that is 25, and that is our answer there. Again, we can test this thing. X is 25, so 25 plus 3, that is 28. 28 divided by 4, that is 7. 7 minus 5, that is 2. Okay, alright, let's look at 2 more examples. So this one here, again, we could go ahead and subtract 2 from both sides. We could do that, as well as we could distribute the parentheses. Okay, so let's distribute the parentheses first. So we're going to use this 4 to multiply every term that is inside the parentheses. So 4 times x, that is 4x. 4 times negative 1, that is negative 4, still plus the 2, because we haven't used the 2 as yet, equals 10. Now we need to combine like terms. Here are your like terms. You can only add number to number, constant to constant, x to x. Alright, so these are our like terms. So when we add these two, negative 4 plus 2, that will give us negative 2. We did not use our 4x there, so we take it down, and that is equal to our 10 here. Okay, now as we said before, we need to reverse those that are added or subtracted. So since we have a 2 being subtracted from our variable, we will go ahead and do the reverse operation, which is adding 2 to both sides. So that part cancels, so this is 4x equals 10 plus 2, that is 12. Now we do the reverse operation of multiplication or division. 4x means 4 times x, so the 4 is multiplying our x, so we reverse that by dividing both sides by 4. So x equals 12 divided by 4, that is 3. Okay, alright. Now this one here, it says y divided by 3 equals 7. So our 3 is connected to our variable, which is y, by division. So we must do the reverse operation of division, which is multiplication. So we multiply each term by 3. This is one term, I multiply it by 3, which is a number in the denominator, and I multiply this other term by 3. So if I had 5 in my denominator here, I'd multiply every term by 5. But because I have 3 here, I multiply every term by 3. This 3 cancels that 3, so I have y equals 7 times 3, 21. And that is my final answer there. And look at it. 21 divided by 3, 7. Alright? Hope you have learned something. Have a fantastic day.